scoops his paw and licks the water off his paw. Scoops his paw, licks his water off his paw. Oh, gross kitty, but you're so cute. Busted. He likes to bathe this way, apparently. Fresh bowl of water each time. Don't mind me. His sister's like, what? That's our boy.